Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Adobe Creative Cloud to access professional design and creative software, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and subscription. Step 1. Visit the Adobe Creative Cloud website at adobe.com and click Get Started or Free Trial to begin. Step 2. Choose your plan type. Adobe offers individual, business, student, and teacher, and Teams plans with various subscription options. Step 3. Select which Creative Cloud plan you want. Options include all apps with access to 20-plus apps, photography with Photoshop and Lightroom, or single app subscriptions. Step 4. Click Buy Now or Start Free Trial, depending on your preference. Adobe typically offers a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. Step 5. Create your Adobe account by entering your email address and creating a password, or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Step 6. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 7. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. You won't be charged during the trial period. Step 8. Review the subscription terms, pricing, and renewal details before confirming your purchase or trial activation. Step 9. Click Start Your Trial or Subscribe to complete your registration and activate your Creative Cloud account. Step 10. Download the Creative Cloud desktop application by clicking the download link provided after registration. Step 11. Install the Creative Cloud app on your computer and log in with your Adobe credentials. Step 12. Browse available applications in the Creative Cloud app and install the software you need, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. Step 13. Check your Adobe account settings to manage your subscription, payment method, and installed applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.